Hello and welcome back to your favorite spoken English channel, Vision Spoken English. In the last few videos, I let you know the certain tips which would actually help you in your spoken English. But have I ever told you what is the first step that you should acquire in order to start speaking English? Let's see. There are three things which you need to be aware of in order to achieve any potential of your life. Let's see. The place where you're in, the place you were in the past, and the place where you actually want to visit. See, from my point of view, from my perspective, the place where you're in, like your spoken English fluency, the way how you speak in front of anyone, that is where you should have to start from, okay? And the fluency which you actually want to acquire, actually where you want to be at the point, these two things has to be aware by you. Let's see. Now, in order to start speaking English, the first step that you should do, what it should be. See, if you are learning English, there is a certain reason behind that. You might be wanting to show yourself off in front of people, or you are really intended to learn it in order to get the growth in your business, in your studies, in your communication skill, in the representation skill, or there can be several reasons. First, try to understand your perspective, like if for what reason actually you're learning English. You can take the help of a piece of paper in which you can actually mention that what is the reason behind your studying and your spoken English, or you want to acquire a good communication skill. See, it is the first step. When you will do complete doing it, the second step that you will be doing it, you will start thinking in English. Now you'll say, sir, actually, how can I even think of thinking in English unless I'll be aware of sentences, unless I'll be aware of words, unless I'll be aware of expressions? How will I be able to even think of? So here there is not something very extraordinary that people do. Actually, you have to go through some of the videos on YouTube. You may write some essays, or like what you actually do in your daily life. You may start by writing a routine of yours. In the early morning, you could write what have you done yesterday and what are you going to do today. You can take the help of Google Translator in case you require it. When you do this, when you will write your daily routine, just talk about it. You just speak it. Speak it out loud in front of a camera or in front of mirror, so that you may see yourself. Like, how do you act while speaking this? This is your very first step. The more steps will be told in next videos. Till then, take care of yourself. Keep learning English with Vision Spoken English. I actually forgot this sentence.